We'll expand our coverage out to Minneapolis and show you live pictures of Miguel Cabrera. Matt Joyce, meanwhile, puts a charge and a pitch that sends it over the wall in center field. Matt Joyce didn't start the day in the lineup and is grateful for the opportunity to face some right-handed pitching. His home run making it 7-0 Tampa Bay. And the Twins can come back from a 6-0 deficit. Here's Matt Joyce swinging at the first offering. A drive out to deep right center, and that one is gone. 3-run shot by Matt Joyce, his second of the afternoon.